discuss the topic multiplication of fraction. Earlier we discussed addition and subtraction. Today we will discuss multiplication of fraction. Okay. Then in multiplication also we can take two cases. First one, multiply a fraction with a whole number or multiply a fraction with another fraction. Okay, we can multiply a fraction with a whole number also, or we can multiply a fraction with another fraction. Now multiplication of fraction with whole number. Okay, multiplication of fraction with whole number. Suppose I will write 5 into 2 by 3. Here see 5 is this is a whole number and 2 by 3 this is a fraction. Now we will multiply both. What is the meaning of 5 here? 5 means 5 by 1. Okay, the whole number can be also written as fraction by considering the denominator as 1, because 5 divided by 1 equal to 5. That's why we can write this as 5 by 1. Now it is in the fraction format. Okay, 5 can be written as 5 by 1 is the fraction format into 2 by 3 now. Clear? Now both are in the fraction form. Then how to multiply? Just multiply the numerator, both numerator and both denominator, like this. 5 into numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 5 into 2 by 1 into 3. What is 5 into 2? 10. 1 into 3? 3. Now we will check whether we can reduce this or not. Now 10 by 3, that cannot be reduced, but it is in the improper format. We can convert it into mixed fraction also. When I will convert it into mixed fraction, it will be 3 whole 1 over 1, 3. We will take some more examples. Eleven into 5 by 11, suppose. I can write 11 by 1 into 5 by 11, because I told you earlier whole number can be written as fraction just by writing 1 as denominator. Okay, 11 by 1 into 5 by 1. Now we will do 11 into 5 by 1 into 11, that is 55 by 11. Okay, now it can be reduced. How to reduce, you know? Divide both the numerator and the denominator by their HCF. And what is the HCF of 15 and 11? It's 11 only. So we will divide 55 by 11, that is 5. 11 by 11, that is 5 by 1. Suppose 10 into 3 by 4. Another example, 10 into 3 by 4. What I will do now, tell? Okay, we have to write 10 as 10 by 1. 10 by 1. Now it is converted into a fraction. Into 3 by 4. Then what to do? Very good. Just multiply both the numerators by both the multiplication of both the denominators. Numerator with numerator, 10 into 3, 1 into 4. What is 10 into 3? It's 30. 1 into 4, it is 4. Clear? Now what to do? 30 by 4. Okay. Can it be reduced? Yes. It can be reduced. Then what we have to do now to reduce it to its lowest form? Yes, beta. We have to divide both the numerator and the denominator by their HCF. Then what will be the HCF? What is the HCF of 30 and 4? Yes, it is 2 only. That means we have to divide 30 and 4 by 2. Then when we will divide 30 by 2, what will be the answer? Yes, it is 15. Then when we will divide 4 by 2, what will be the answer? Yes, 2. Okay, now it is reduced, but it is in improper format. That means we have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, and when we will convert it into mixed fraction, it will be 7 whole 1 upon 2. Okay, like this we can multiply a whole number with a fraction. Now we will do multiplication of fraction with fraction. Now multiplication of fraction with fraction. Okay, that we have done in our whole number also, because whole number also we have converted into fraction format. Okay, that's why suppose 2 by 3 into 5 by 8. 2 by 3 into 5 by 8. Now both are in fraction. Just multiply both the numerator. 2 into 5 by 3 into 8. Clear? What will be the answer? 10 by 24. Can it be reduced? Yes. We have to take the HCF of 10 and 24. What is the HCF of 10 and 24? Yes, it is 2. That means we have to divide both 10 and 24 by 2. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. 24 divided by 2, it is 12. And what will be the multiplication? 2 by 3 into 5 by 8 equal to 5 by 12. This is one method. One more method is there, that is short method, we can call short method. Suppose 2 by 3 into 5 by 8. In this case, first we are dividing by HCF after multiplying both the numerators and denominators. But in this case, we can cancel. Here also we can cancel it. Like 2 is divided by 4, we can cancel this. Like what is there? 1 into 5 by 3 into 4. That is 5 by 12 also. In both method you can do that. Now I will take one more example. By 18 into 23 by 10. Okay. Now multiply 15 into 23 by 18 into 10. Now check 15 3s are 45, 4 15 2s are 30, 34 divided by 180. Now we have to cancel. Okay, you have to take the HCF here and then divide it. It will be quite difficult. So we can apply short method also here. Okay, like this I am doing now. First we will cancel with 5, suppose. 23 by 12. Okay, now we will apply short method and check the answer. by 18 into 23 by 10. Now, which number, how it will be cancelled? Both can be divided. We have to divide by any factor. It can be cancelled with this, both can be cancelled. Any numerator with any denominator. Okay, we have to cancel any numerator with any denominator. Maybe the same fraction, maybe the other. We can cancel both this also. We can cancel both this also, or like this also. Okay. First I will cancel, because 15 and 10 I will take. Suppose. Okay. Then it both will be divided by 5. So it will be 5, 3, 5, 2. Now these 3 can be cancelled by 18, 3, 1, 3, 6. Now we cannot cancel anything. 1 into 23 by 6 into 2. That is your 23 by 12. Any method you can apply. Which one is easy for you? You can apply any method. You just multiply both the numerators by both the denominators. After that you can simplify it. You can reduce it into lowest term, or you will first cancel this, or first divide any numerator with any denominator by their factors only. Okay, see here 15 and 10. What is the factor of 15 and 10? Common factor by their common factors. Not only factor, by their common factors. Here see, for 15 and 10, what is the common factor of 15 and 10? 5 there. Or like this also I can do. 15 by 18 into 23 by 12. Sorry, 23 by 10. Okay. In this case, I have cancelled this one first. Okay, 15 and 10. I can consider this one also. What is the common factor of 15 and 18, or HCF of 15 and 18? You can take any common factor or HCF. If you will take only common factor, then you have to follow the process many times. That's why we are taking the HCF. And what is the HCF of 15 and 18? 3, 5 are 15, 3, 6 are 18. Now see here 5 there, here 10 there. What is the? They both will also divided by 5. 5, 1, 5, 2. See now same there. 1 into 23 by 6 into 2. 23 by 12. Okay. In any way you can cancel these terms, or you can divide by their common factors. You can take both these, first numerator, first denominator, or first numerator, second denominator. Any way you can cancel this. Or if this is difficult for you, you can just follow this method, in which you have to just multiply both the numerators and both the denominators. This is easy. Okay, beta. Now your multiplication is over. Next we will discuss division of fraction.